Dami na nating narinig na kasong plunder sa social media. Pero ano ba talaga ang plunder at anong pagkakaiba niya sa malversation? Tara, alamin natin. Let's talk law. Ang key difference is how many times is the act done. When you talk of malversation, there's only one single act of taking public funds for personal use. Meanwhile, under plunder, these are series of acts or multiple acts. For example, under plunder, kung nagnakaw ka ng multiple times, first time is 25 million, the second time is 25 million, two separate occasions, totaling 50 million, this case falls under plunder. Meanwhile, for malversation, isang beses ka lang nagnakaw kahit na nag 50 million pa yan, or regardless of amount, but if you only do it once, then that is only a simple case of malversation. So what's the importance of finding out the difference? It's because under malversation, the case can sometimes be bailable. Meanwhile, for plunder, plunder is absolutely non-bailable. That's why the cases involved in the Senate, the highest possible case that they can file against these senators is plunder, because it will be non-bailable. And that's why it's important to know the difference between plunder and malversation. So, thank you. Bye.